Hello and greeting to Sir Rizal. So first thing first, I would like to apologize due to the that I'm submitted this presentation video late because of my mistake. I'm not alert about the due date, so let me start first. So this is my presentation about my PITA one. That my research title is Revolutionizing Supply Chain Management, the Impact of Industry 4.0 on Supply Chain Management at Port in Malaysia. So my supervisor is Sir Muhammad Rizal bin Ismail. My metric number is S65674. So my name is Jojeeiana Marjorye Jotian, and I am the third years of MAPEM student. So we move next. So we moving on to the introduction. So for Industry 4.0, or the known as four industrial revolutions. This is integrated IOI, that is Internet of Things, CPS and ICT, to transform manufacturing and supply chain management through automation, real-time data exchange, and intelligent decision making. So this is originating in Germany. It has gained global traction for enhancing efficiency, productivity, and adaptability. Despite its potentials, adoption faces challenges such as high cost, uh, infrastructure limitations, and workforce training needs. So this is beyond manufacturing. It promotes sustainability by optimizing uh, the resources and minimizing waste. In supply chain management, it's improved transparency, coordinating, and risk management, demanding in a shift in traditional practices. While challenges exist, Industry 4.0 drive innovation, economic growth, and industrial transformation, shaping the future of business operations. So, as for my research, this research exploring the impact of the Industry 4.0 on supply chain management at port in Malaysia by identifying both of the opportunity and challenges associated with its implementation. So it's also aimed to explore how advanced technologies such as IoT, that known as Internet of Things, AI, artificial intelligence, and big data analysis can enhance efficiency, automations, and decision making in supply chains. So next we move to problem statement. So Malaysian port play an important role in the global and regional supply chains, considerable contributing to the country's economy. So the introduction of Industry 4.0 technology like IoT, AI, blockchain, and big data analytic create both possibility and constraints. However, these technologies necessitate meticulous preparation and consideration of potential disruptions. So in here, they have a high installation cost, a lack of digital literacy, data management issues, and cybersecurity concern all impede their success. Implementing this technology necessitates a highly skilled workforce, especially in data analytics, in cybersecurity, and system integration. So, initiatives such as the Port Klang, Port Port of Tanjung Pelepas, and University Malaysia Terengganu seek to encourage workforce adaptability and future-proof staff. So for the research question, question number one is how does Industry 4.0 impact the supply chain management at port in Malaysia? So question number two is how can Malaysia port effectively adopt and integrate Industry 4.0 technologies to improve supply chain efficiency and resilience? So the last one, what are the main barriers to Industry 4.0 adoption in Malaysia, and how can this be overcome? So, for the research objective number one is to understand how advanced technologies can enhance supply chain performance, sustainability, and resilience at the port. Objective number two is to improve the safety and security of port operations. So the last one is to boost the operational efficiency by leveraging automation, machine learning technology at the port. So, so next is literature review. My first literature review is on Industry 4.0. So as we know, the Industry 4.0 is fourth industrial revolution, defined by the incorporation of digital technologies such as IoT, AI, big data, cloud computing, and cyber physical system into manufacturing and industrial processes. So, according to Herman Pending and Otto 2016, Industry 4.0 is defined as a collective term for technologies and concepts of value chain organizations. It incorporates advancement in automation, data exchange, and manufacturing technologies to create interconnected intelligence systems. My second literature review is autonomous vehicle and robots. So, as you know, automation is a major feature of Industry 4.0 in port, especially port in Malaysia. So, technologies like autonomous vehicle, AVS, automated guided vehicles, AGV, and robots are transforming how port handle cargoes. Automated cargo handling is revolutionizing the way containers are managed in shipping terminal, utilizing advanced technologies such as automated crane and robotic arms. So, according to Van der Meer et al. 2019, the AGV navigate the port with little human intervention, reducing congestion, and improving the flow of goods in the port. So, my third literature review is Digital Platform and Port Community System (PCS). So, a digital platform is the software and technology used to unify and streamline business operation and IT system. So, a digital platform allows for smooth communication and coordinating among many parties in the port ecosystem, including shipping lines, logistic businesses, and custom officials. So, port community system and cloud-based platforms enable stakeholders to communicate in real time on shipping schedules, cargo availability, and custom clearance. The enhanced cooperation shortens administrative delay and optimizes port operation, uh, according to PITA et al. 2018. Next, my literature review is real-time tracking. So one of the most transformative aspects of Industry 4.0 is real-time tracking. IoT-enabled tracking system provide real-time data on inventory and shipment status, significantly enhancing supply chain visibility, according to Covalis et al. 2022. 2000, 2020. This system allows logistics provider to monitor shipments effectively, optimize inventory management, and reduce delay by identifying potential disruption early. So, for example, IoT devices can monitor the health of port equipment, enable predictive maintenance, and reducing the risk of unexpected breakdowns. So, additionally, blockchain technology ensure that the information collected about each cargo is accurate and secure, which is crucial for international shipments and multiple stakeholders, uh, according to Rodrigo 2020. So, my last literature review is cybersecurity. Uh, Cybersecurity as the data become increasingly vulnerable, company must prioritize cybersecurity to protect their information. The Internet of Things connect numerous devices, particularly in shipping sectors, and this network is expected to expand over time. However, this interconnectivity also increases vulnerability, exposing the entire supply chain to cyber threat. Hacker can exploit these connections through malware and other malicious programs, potentially gaining access to a company internal and external operation. Such breaches may lead to the theft of sensitive information or the disruption of IoT-based devices, causing several interruptions at critical supply chain points, such as port. These are based on K3 2017. So next is methodology. The method I'm choosing is quantitative methodology. So as we know, quantitative method is the collection and analysis of numerical data to answer scientific research questions. So quantitative uh, method is used to summarize, average, find patterns, make predictions, and test causal association, as well as generalizing result to weather populations. It allows us to quantify effect sizes, determine the strain of association, rank priorities, and gauge the strengths of evidence of effectiveness by Ratna J. ETAL 2022. So next is research design. To achieve the research objective, a quantitative research methodology will be employed. This approach is particularly suitable for this study as it allows for the collection and analysis of numerical data to identify trends, relationship, and impacts by Criswell 2018. So, a structured questionnaire will serve as a primary data collection instrument, um, enabling the systematic gathering of information from various stakeholders involved in port operation. These stakeholders include logistic manager, port authorities, and representative um, from shipping company as a secondary data. So I'm using the Likert scale for response measurement. So this research will adopt a cross-sectional design which is effective for capturing a snapshot of current practices and perception regarding Industry 4.0 technology in the context of Malaysian port by Brahman 2016. This research will facilitate the analysis of data at a single point in time, providing insight into existing condition and relationship among variables. So we move to the sample and sampling technique. The target population for the study comprise professional working at a major Malaysian ports with a particular focus on Port Klang, Port Tanjung Lepas, and Supanggar Port. So these ports are among the busiest in Malaysia and serve critical nodes in international trade. This is stated by the Port Authority of Malaysia 2021. So to ensure that the sample is representative of the sampling technique, diverse role within the port operation, a stratified random sampling um, technique will be utilized. So I'm using the certified random sampling. This method will allow for the inclusions of various segments within the populations, such as port operator, shipping company, freight forwarder, custom authority, executive manager, and operational staff the from both public and private sector organization involved in port logistics by Flick 2018. So once data collection is complete, statistically analysis will be conducted using software such as SPSS or R. The analysis process will begin with descriptive statistics to summarize demographic information and general response pattern among participants by field 2018. Following the initial analysis, inferential statistic will be employed to test hypotheses regarding the relationship between Industry 4.0 adoption and various supply chain technique performance metric. So techniques such as regression analysis or correlation coefficient will be utilized to determine the strength and significance of this relationship by Tabanik and Fidel 2019. This rigorous analytic approach aims to provide robust evidence regarding how Industry 4.0 technologies influence supply chain management outcomes at Malaysian port. So next is to ensure the validity and reliability for of this research. The survey instrument will be validated through a pilot study and expert review. So reliability will be tested using a cronch batch alpha to ensure internal consistency. These steps are crucial to ensure that the survey measures what it is intended to measure and that the results are consistent and reproducible. By addressing validity and reliability. The research will maintain a high standards of economic rigor. So for the ethical considerations, will be strictly adhere to throughout the research process. A respondent um, will be informed about the purpose of the study and their right to withdraw at any time. All responses will be kept confidential and data will be anonymized to protect respondent identities. Data integrity will be maintained by ensuring the data is collected and analyzed objectively without bias or manipulation. These ethical practices are essential to uphold the credibility and trustworthiness of this research. So for the expected outcome, uh, the expected outcome of this research include assessment of Industry 4.0 adoption in port, impact on supply chain management performance, and identification of implementation challenges. So um, these outcomes will contribute to the broader understanding of digital transformation in the logistics and maritime industry, providing valuable insight for stakeholders in Malaysia and beyond. So next is my Gantt chart. So as we can see here, the Gantt chart content activities for my PITA one. So for choosing the title, I'm started by the October 2024. Um, Along with the introduction, define research problem, develop a research question, research objective, conduct literature review, research methodology that I'm choosing quantitative research methodology. So my Gantt chart, my reference, presentation, and submissions. So for the conclusion, Industry 4.0 is transforming supply chain management by incorporating auton- auton- automations, IoT, AI, and blockchain into logistical operations in Malaysian port. These technologies are improving efficiency, transparency, and sustainability. So, however, challenges such as high investment costs, cybersecurity threats, and regulatory limits must be addressed for successful implementation. As Malaysian ports continue to digitalize, future research should focus on maximize smart port technology to enhance global supply chain competitiveness. So, that's all for my PITA 1 presentation. Thank you very much. Last but not least, so this is my list of references as you can see here by Campbell, Perek, Wang Ji, Sean P, and Bichao. Okay, so there's another reference that I get from Google Scholar Research Group. So that's all from me for this PITA 1 presentations. So again, I would like to apologize to Sir Rizal for my late submission due to my mistake myself. So thank you so much.